Tesla Giga Shanghai Phase 2 construction ramp is in preparation for Model Y production. Tesla Giga Shanghai's Phase 2 construction continues to ramp in preparation for Model Y production. Tesla Giga Shanghai sales are expected to contribute to the company's Q2 2020 numbers significantly. Demand for the made-in-China Model 3 SR Plus and its long-range rear-wheel drive variant appears to be healthy. Demand for the Tesla Model Y, however, could overshadow both the made-in-China Model 3 SR Plus and the long-range rear-wheel drive. Welcome back, dear Torque News subscribers and viewers. This is Armen Hareyan bringing you the latest Tesla and automotive news from torquenews.com. Please subscribe to our channel as I'm getting ready to tell you a very interesting story, and also like this video to show your appreciation of the Tesmanians Report and Wuva's Vision, who bring this Tesla Giga Shanghai story for us. And also please ring the notification bell so you may be notified, because later today I'm planning to bring you several stories, one about Tesla Semi, another about Volkswagen opening its factory, and another Ford planning to open its factory, and also auto experts about Tesla battery. So there's interesting things are coming up. Wuva Vision's latest video showed that construction on Giga Shanghai's Phase 2 buildings is still rapidly progressing. A part of the building looked like the roof trusses were already in place. Based on past Giga Shanghai's other construction projects, Tesla China appears to be building the shell of Phase 2 before working on the interior. Giga Shanghai's Phase 2 will most likely house the Model Y production line. The SUV market in China is one of the biggest in the world, besides the United States and Germany. So there are high expectations for made-in-China Model Y demand built in Giga Shanghai. It is not surprising that I mentioned Germany besides United States, because when Tesla finishes its Gigafactory in Berlin, outside of Berlin, Giga Berlin, the first model there will be the Model Y. The first model production will start from Model Y. So Tesla is building Model Y in the United States, is going to start building later this year in Giga Shanghai when it finishes its Phase 2, and in Giga Berlin hopefully sometimes next year. What is happening around Giga Berlin I have already reported this morning and yesterday. Please watch those reports, because there is a temporarily stoppage or temporarily standstill there, and the developments there you can see when you watch those reports. According to Statistica, the SUV segment in the global auto industry has been growing rapidly since the early 1990s. In 2019, about 200 million SUVs were sold around the world. The Model Y's more affordable price might be an advantage for Tesla in the SUV market, especially in China, which, like I said, is very strong SUV market besides the United States and Germany. Thus far, the Chinese government has been supportive of Giga Shanghai and Tesla China. This April, the #1 bank in the country, the Bank of China, ran a special promotion for the made-in-China Model 3 SR Plus. Bank of China cardholders could avail of the promo, which included paying 0% to low interest for 2.5 years, 2 to 5 years. Recent pictures from Beijing's DMV hint that demand for the made-in-China Model 3 has remained strong despite the pandemic, but it is unclear whether there is a correlation between Model 3 demand and Tesla's promotion. Either way, however, the Chinese auto market seems ripe for Model Y that Tesla is planning to build in China. Model Y demand could also be bolstered by the Chinese government's move to strengthen the country's infrastructure for electric vehicles. For example, China plans to spend 10 million Chinese currency, 10 billion Chinese currency to build more electric vehicle charging stations throughout the nation. Speaking of the charging stations, this morning, this channel, Torque News, I filed a video report talking about how many Tesla superchargers are in the world. And I believe 15% of all the superchargers of Tesla are in China. The biggest supercharger network is in the United States, and then China is 15%. And I said that it is possible that because of all of this support, because of the Gigafactory being built in China, we will see in the next several days, because Chinese market is such a huge market, that China may even have more superchargers in China than in the United States. Anyway, those networks are necessary, and it's good that the Chinese government is supporting this. So as we see from the accompanying pictures that come from the video of Wuwa Visions, the Made in China Phase 2 is going ahead with full spring, and the ramp is going up, ramp in model preparation for Model Y production. Some people say that Tesla may start the production in this facility of Model Y production in this facility sometimes by late November or maybe even early September. What is your prediction? When do you think this Phase 2 will be ready? We know that Tesla has a good record of building the Giga Shanghai's first phase in less than a year and producing the Made in China Model 3 in less than a year. So this is going to be a huge boost for China, Tesla's bottom line, considering the Gigafactory in Nevada, in New York, and also Fremont factory are closed. So thanks for watching, friends. You have a wonderful day. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video to show your appreciation, and also ring the notification bell, because like I said, I'm going to bring you later today interesting stories about when Volkswagen and Ford are going to reopen their factories. There are interesting dates in place, and I think the automotive industry is slowly going to get back to normalcy. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless you all, and take good care of each other and stay safe.